Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to show you how to track financial stock history using Microsoft 365. We will be using the StockHistory function, which retrieves historical data about a financial investment and loads it into meaningful information into your Excel worksheet. We will make this an easy formula to update, so in your Excel worksheet, click on cell A1. Type in Stock Search. In cell B2, type in GOOGL for the Google stock symbol. Click on cell A3, click on the Insert Function button, and search for Stock History. Once you've found it, click on OK. And here you will have your arguments. For stock, type in B1. For start date, type in double quote 01-01-2022 double quote. For end date, type today, open and close parentheses. For interval, type 1 for weekly. For headers, type 2 for headers. For properties 1, type 0 for date. Properties 2, type 1 for close. Properties 3, type 2 for open. Properties 4, type 3 for high. Properties 5, type 4 for low. Properties 6, type 5 for volume. Hit OK. There, now we have our stock history from January 2022 to present. If we change our stock symbol in B1, you will see that the stock information is updated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.